Hey everyone, welcome back. Does Beam make you verify your email with a code every single time you log in, even though you just verified it yesterday? Here are the iPhone settings almost causing it. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open the control center. If you see a focus or do not disturb icon that is lit up, tap on it to turn it off completely. Then, focus mode silently delays or blocks email delivery from automated senders like Beam. Next, go to settings and then tap mail and confirm your email account linked to Beam is still active and receiving new messages normally. Also, go to your Gmail app and check your spam and junk folder in your email for the Beam verification email. Since new senders addresses from Beam can be filtered there on first contact. After confirming focus is off and your inbox is working, go to your settings and then scroll down to the list of apps to Beam. Tap on it and make sure background refresh is turned on, since without it, Beam can't maintain its broken between two sessions and treats every login as a new device requiring fresh email verification. So all you've got to do is turn focus mode off, confirm your inbox is working, check spam and turn on background app refresh. Verification emails arrive and Beam stops prompting you every session, and that's it. Subscribe.